Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 60 from ISS 2019 paper 2. Nodal Ministry of Statistical System in India is whether it is Ministry of Human Resources Development or Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation or Directorate of Economics and Statistics, Ministry of Agriculture or none of the above. So here the right answer will be the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Okay, now let's take another question. This is the next question, question number 61. In this question, we are asked that a test in which probability of rejecting the null hypothesis H naught when it is not true is more than that of rejecting it when it is true is said to be whether unbiased test or biased or consistent or uniformly most powerful or UMP test. Now we know that probability under H1 rejecting H0, which implies that when we reject H0 when it is not true is nothing but the power of the test, and probability under H0 rejecting H0 is the probability when we reject H0 when it is true is nothing but the size of the test. And in this question we are given that power is greater than size. Therefore, the test must be an unbiased test. So A is the correct answer. Okay, let's take another question. This is the next question, which is the question number 62 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question, we are given that X be a single observation from Fx. Okay. Now to test H0 such that Fx is equals to F0 X for all X against H1 is such that Fx is equals to F1 X for all X, consider the test with the test function phi x which is equals to 1 when f1x is greater than kf0x, is gamma if f1x is equals to kf0x, and 0 if f1x is less than kf0x. Now suppose that gamma is greater than 0, then which one of the following is correct? Whether it is the option A, that phi x is a non-randomized test function, whether it is option B, phi x is neither a non-randomized nor a randomized test function, or C, that is phi x is a randomized test function, or D, that is none of the above. Now we know that if a test function defined as 1 if f1x divided by f0x greater than k, gamma if f1x divided by f0x is equals to k, and 0 if f1x divided by f0x is less than k, then this type of test is called a randomized test function. So C is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.